you ever come home after a long, busy day and wanted to tell someone everything you did, but suddenly your mind goes blank? You know the words for coffee or emails, but you can't quite connect them?
Oh, I know that feeling so well. It's like the words are stuck in your throat.
Exactly. I've been there so many times. But today, we're going to give you the secret key to sharing your life. Stay with us because we're showing you how the present perfect isn't just a grammar rule, it's how you actually tell your story. Ready? Let's dive in. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Vibes, the place where we make English feel like a conversation with friends. I'm Sarah. Hey, Allie.
Hey, Sarah. Hi, everyone. Honestly, I've been waiting all morning to hit the record button. I'm so happy to be here.
I can tell. Your energy is amazing today. How's your morning been?
It's been great, though I'm a bit exhausted, but it's that satisfied kind of tired. Does that make sense?
Totally. It's that feeling when you look at your to-do list and see everything crossed off. You feel proud.
Spot on. I've finished so many tasks since I woke up.
Wait, stop right there, Allie. You just did it. You used the exact grammar we're teaching today.
I did? Oh, wait. I said I finished.
Exactly. That's the present perfect. People think it sounds fancy or academic, but it's actually the most natural way to talk about your day.
I totally agree. It's my favorite way to express myself. But before we break it down, we should probably say hello to our community.
You're right. To everyone listening at home or on your commute, we're so glad you're spending your time with us.
Definitely. And hey, if our chats are helping you feel more confident, please hit that like button. It really helps our small channel grow. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Fluent Vibes. We're here every week to help you grow.
And pass this episode to a friend. If you know someone struggling with their English, let's all learn together. Thanks, guys.
Okay, Sarah, let's get into it. Why is this present perfect thing so useful for daily life?
Well, Allie, it's for those moments when we talk about things we did today or this week. The period of time isn't over yet.
Right, like the day is still moving forward. So we just pair two words together, right? We use have plus a past style word.
Exactly. A past participle, like eaten or seen.
Got it. So instead of just saying I eat, I'd say I have eaten my breakfast.
Precisely. It tells me that the action happened today, and now it's done.
That feels so much more natural. Let's look at our own lives today. Allie, what's one thing you've done since you got out of bed?
Let me think. Okay, well, I've already finished a massive cup of strong coffee.
Why am I not surprised? You and your coffee. So you say I have drunk my coffee.
Exactly. I've drunk it, and now I'm awake. What about you, Sarah? What have you done so far? Well, I've already taken my dog for a long walk in the woods.
Ah, how lovely. How was the weather out there?
It's actually beautiful, very fresh. So I've walked for about 40 minutes.
40 minutes? That's a serious workout. I bet your dog is exhausted.
He's fast asleep on the rug right now. So I say I have walked. It's just the word walk with that ED sound at the end.
Right. For most words, it's just that simple ED ending. I've worked, I've cleaned, I've played.
Speaking of cleaning, did you actually tidy up today, Allie?
I actually have. I've cleaned the whole kitchen. It was a disaster after I made breakfast.
I'm jealous. My kitchen is still a mess. I haven't cleaned it yet.
Oh, I have not cleaned. There's the negative version.
Yeah, you just slide that not in the middle. I have not cleaned the dishes. I think a lot of our listeners can relate to that sentence.
Life gets busy, right? But Sarah, I have a question. What if I'm talking about you? Do I still use have?
Great question. For I, you, we, and they, it stays as have. So I can say, you have cleaned the kitchen. I might. Maybe tonight I'll say I've started my first drawing.
Exactly. And hey, we use have for questions too, right? Like when you asked if I'd eaten.
Yes, you just put have or has at the very front. Like, have you finished your work?
Not yet. I still have to finish the audio for this episode.
True, we've still got work to do, but it's the best kind of work. I really loved this conversation.
Me too. It feels so natural to talk this way.
It does. It makes English feel like a real tool for sharing your life, not just a list of rules from a textbook.
That's the goal. And for everyone listening, please don't worry about being perfect. Just start saying, I've have, and add an action.
Exactly. Even if you make a small mistake with the word, people will still understand your heart. Communication is what matters most.
Absolutely. I've eaten, I've walked, I've worked. Start there. And remember, use has for your friends. Like, my sister has called me 3 times today.
Oh, is she okay?
She's great. She's just excited because she's bought a new apartment.
Wow, that's huge. She's bought. Look at you using the grammar perfectly again.
I'm learning from the best, Sarah. But look at the time. We've talked for quite a while now.
We really have. Time just disappears when we're having these chats.
It's true. We've covered everything from coffee and messy kitchens to dogs and new apartments.
And the best part is, we've shown everyone that have and has are just simple tools to tell your story.
It's not scary. It's just a plan for your sentences.
Exactly. Honestly, Allie, I've learned a lot just by talking through this with you today.
We're all learning, Sarah. That's the spirit of Fluent Vibes.
I couldn't agree more. Well, friends, we hope you've enjoyed this episode as much as we've enjoyed making it for you.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive, and leave a like if this cleared things up for you.
And our final challenge for you, what is one thing you've done today? Tell us in the comments. Write, I have, and share your news.
We're so excited to read them. It's amazing to see what you're all doing across the world.
It really is. Well, I think I've said everything I need to say.
Me too. Great session, Sarah. Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, or we've started the recording. Yes, or they have arrived at the gym. It's very consistent, but there's one tiny change for he or she.
Ah, I remember this. For he or she, we switch to has, H-A-S.
Exactly. So he has tidied the room.
Right, or she has finished her tea.
Perfect. I have, you have, but she has. You're a pro, Ollie.
I'm trying. It's all about the rhythm. So, it's afternoon now. Sarah, have you eaten lunch?
I actually have. I've eaten a really fresh salad with grilled chicken.
Sounds healthy. Did you finish it all?
Every bit. I've eaten the whole thing. What about you?
Honestly, I haven't eaten lunch. I was too busy getting ready for our show. I'm starting to hear my stomach growl.
Oh no! We'll make sure to wrap up soon so you can get some food.
Thanks. But honestly, I've enjoyed this chat so much, I forgot I was hungry.
That's so sweet. Okay, let's think of more work examples. I've written 3 important emails this morning.
I've written. That's a classic one for the office. I've written a few messages to my manager, too.
Busy man. Did he get back to you?
Not yet. He hasn't replied. He's probably in the meeting.
Or maybe he's gone to get his own coffee.
He has gone, exactly. Hey, Sarah, I just had an idea. If you're listening to us right now and you're finding this helpful, please type, I have learned something in the comments.
I love that. I have learned. It's the perfect way to show us you're actually using what we're talking about.
It really makes our day to see those comments. It reminds us why we do this.
It really does. Okay, let's talk about our week. Ollie, have you seen any good shows lately?
Today, no. But this week, I've watched a really great documentary about mountains.
Oh, wow. Was it good?
Incredible. I've learned so much about how people climb Everest. It's terrifying.
I can imagine. I haven't watched that, but I've seen a few episodes of a new cooking show.
A cooking show. Are you going to cook for me now?
Maybe. I've learned how to make a great pasta sauce.
I've learned. We are really using this grammar today, aren't we?
We are, because it's the bridge between the past and right now. It connects everything.
That makes sense. Oh, and what about the word been? I hear people say I've been all the time.
I've been is perfect for saying you went somewhere and came back, or for describing your mood.
So I can say I've been to the grocery store today.
Exactly. You went, you're back, and now the fridge is full.
And I can say I've been very focused today.
Perfect. It describes your state of mind from the morning until this very second.
That is so helpful. I've been a little stressed, but talking to you makes me feel better.
Same here. I've been a bit tired, but I've been so excited to share this lesson with everyone.
You know, I've also started a new hobby today. I've started sketching.
No way! What did you draw?
Just a tree in my garden. I practiced for about an hour.
An hour? That's impressive. I haven't practiced any art in years. I've been too busy reading.
You should try it. It's relaxing.